Good morning, tubers. It's Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another exciting video in the crypto space. Hey, I was looking at our Magic Crypto portfolio dashboard this morning, and as you are aware, Ethereum is on a tear, and the question came up again about which of the mega cryptos is the better asset. Well, I have said time and again that Ethereum is a better investment than Bitcoin. And I've also said right now VeChain is outperforming Ethereum. But let's just take a look at what's going on May the 4th, 2021. So right now we can see that Bitcoin is down a little bit. It's down about 6%. On the day. It's up maybe almost 0.68% over the 7-day and down 4.7% over the last 30 days. And it is up 372%, just about 4 times your money over the last 200 days. That's why we're getting a hold recommendation on our tool. And you can kind of see that over the last 30 days, if we look at this graph here, we can see that we have hit kind of the wall with Bitcoin. This whole idea of hitting that $65,000 mark is becoming an issue. We're bouncing between this low point here. Let's see. We're bouncing between 48,000 and a high point of somewhere around 63,000. We're staying in that range, and it's almost like you have to start asking yourself, are we really going to hit that 80,000 that we've been talking about? Have we hit the groundswell? Over the past 30 days, we've lost about 5%, 6%. So what is going on with Bitcoin? Have we lost our chance here to capitalize? I still think that Bitcoin has some growth potential. I am one of those believers in Bitcoin being worth 100,000 one day, but we don't know if this is going to continue. It'll be interesting to see if Bitcoin continues to be inside of this tunnel, inside of this bounce pattern here for the next month. Meanwhile, if we head over here to Ethereum and take a look at what's going on, it's just absolutely crazy. $3,465 Ethereum, and it's been as high as $3,439. And we can see that when we look at our indicators here, Ethereum has really been performing, sitting there at 3% on the day, 29% on the 7-day, 62% on the 30-day, and 770% on the 200-day. Outpacing Bitcoin's performance by 2 times. Let's look at that again. Bitcoin, if we look at Bitcoin, its performance over the last 200 days, if we look at that, 300, now look at this, we're getting a sell recommendation on Bitcoin. 367% on the 200-day, and Ethereum basically doubling that just about. Okay, so Ethereum's performance right now and the fact that it doesn't have $1 trillion market cap, you know, that ought to be another indicator. Maybe this whole idea that we've hit the $1 trillion market cap with Bitcoin, and the fact that these other assets in the top 10 are not $1 trillion, there's so much room for them to grow. Doesn't matter whether we're talking about a Binance coin, a Dogecoin, Ripple, Cardano, all this stuff that's in the top 10. These are great projects. And it's just amazing that this opportunity exists. You don't have $1 trillion market cap on these others. So right now, Ethereum is the place to be if you want to actually look at it from this tool's point of view. Now, I'm no financial advisor, and everyone has to invest at their own risk and do their own research. But this is my research. And my research is telling me that Polkadot, let's see how Polkadot is doing. Polkadot is a hold right now, okay? Look at what's going on with Polkadot. It's a hold, and it is doing better as an investment over 200-day than Bitcoin. How about Uniswap? Uniswap, let's see how it's doing. Uniswap is also outpacing and outpointing Bitcoin from an investment point of view, just from just looking at the numbers over the 200-day. So when we look at all these different blockchains and these different coins, we can talk about what their purpose is, but from a performance point of view and looking at how much money is there to be made, it's just clear to see right now that there's a lot of different coins that are outperforming Bitcoin, especially now that they've hit this $1 trillion market cap, and they're in this kind of a wave, cyclical, can't get out funnel. So with that, folks, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I always like to focus on Ethereum. It's a safe place to be, but we are going to be doing more comparisons. If there's a particular coin or two coins that you would like to have compared, please drop that inside the comment section, and we'll take a look at it and take a shot at it. As always, throw up the likes, throw up the shares, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. And I'll catch you on the next one.